So there is definitely a connection between food and mood, and we definitely all stress eat at some time or another. And that's what we're gonna be talking about today. What is the connection between your food and your mood?
There's a reason we eat food when we feel poorly, because it works. Our body's hardwired to look for these foods. And the crazy thing about the modern American diet is it gives us all the nutrients we want, if we want them, but it also gives us stuff that just makes us feel better. And they're not in the same places. So I make the argument, I think you agree, that if you eat the right foods at the right time, you can deal with stress and feeling down in life and feeling like you're exhausted. You know, if you write in Google, in browser, why am I?
Right.
It autocompletes so tired. That's how tired we are.
That's amazing.
It doesn't, you know, why am I a spiritual being? No, nothing like that. Why am I so tired? So we have foods that can actually address those, can truly fix those problems.
So there is a right way to eat your feelings, and that's what we're going to learn with the help of our viewers right now. We've got Christine sitting on the sofa. Christine, it looks like you're just holding a cup of coffee or tea.
Because this is my love.
That's your stress relief?
One woman lost the love, another one found the love.
What?
The Rachael ratio, find your love.
So what is your, I don't know, your emotional crutch? What is in your cup?
Coffee.
Coffee.
So I am a mom of two. I have 2 jobs, and I just drink coffee all day. I don't care what time it is. I'm drinking coffee.
You need it around the clock.
Around the clock.
Yeah.
As soon as the kids are in bed, I make coffee. And my mother's like, what are you doing? I'm like, well, now I'm going to drink it hot.
Oh, yeah.
You know?
That's true.
Yes.
How many cups a day, by the way?
About 8.
Some advice
8
for
cups.
her?
Come on over. So, coffee's a little bit of a false promise because it actually is just taking the energy you have in your energy banks and giving it back to you.
Right.
So you actually want to get real energy. The number one driver of energy, and I mentioned earlier, the number one thing we're asking for is actually hydration.
Right.
So the question is, how do you make water a little bit more fun? So this is my energy boosting water, also called strawberry water.
Now, you don't drink coffee, do you, Dr. Oz?
Unlike you, I do react to coffee, and as a surgeon, it's a really bad problem because A, I gotta go to the bathroom, which is really hard when you got your finger in someone's chest.
Yes.
And also, this is even more problematic, I'm using sutures the thickness of your hair, and my hands go like this.
Yeah, that's not good.
No,
Oh,
it's not
you
good
can't
either.
have the shapes.
No,
Right,
so,
right.
But I also recognize in my life that I actually can get the energy from other sources. So if you could just put some strawberries, a little water, this is lemon juice, and lemon juice is valuable because it's got vitamin C in it, but it also gets your intestines to start working faster and move the coffee, get that out of here, right?
Okay,
And-
no more coffee
and
for you.
a little bit of ice, and then this is some cinnamon, right? And I love using spices for all kinds of purposes, but cinnamon very specifically gets your liver to work better with insulin, so it makes your sugar work better.
I always put
this
cinnamon
baby-
in my coffee.
Yeah. And the blender works. The blender never works on my show.
It never works.
It never works on my show. All right. So, now I'm not going to force you to drink too much, but just making it a little
Well, I
more
didn't have a lot
fun.
of coffee yet today.
You didn't?
No.
Well, can I give you a little tip? While you're sipping on this, I think your first drink in the morning should not be coffee.
I have a little water.
You do.
A little.
High five on that. Take some water. You can actually heat it up with some lemons.
My mom loves hot water with lemon.
Yeah, and she is a smart woman to like that. But the beauty of lemon juice, which is an ancient Ayurvedic idea, Indian medicine idea, is that the lemon juice gets your intestines start working better. Which is a valuable thing to have in the morning because then you feel awake, so when you finally you do eat, you're doing okay. Unlike the coffee takes you the other direction. One other thing, if you are a big coffee drinker and having issues, cruciferous vegetables, broccoli sprouts, kale, cauliflower.
This is delicious.
Isn't it great? But these will actually help your liver metabolize the caffeine faster, so you can get it out of your body more quickly.
So if you do drink a lot of coffee, eat more cruciferous vegetables and try and cut back. A nice healthy choice that will not make your hand shake, lemon water. A nice cool choice that's hydrating, smoothies.
Yeah, not bad.
basically.
Are you a happy customer?